this is the pod swing that I have in my 3.5-year-old's room. So it came with everything. I already had this installed for a different swing because we have a few like different attachments for it that have like the bar, like the swinging bar and stuff like that. So I just put it on here with a ring that I already had. And then here is what it looks like. Looks like it zipped open a little bit. So it came with like an air bubble that you can blow up. I wanted something a little more comfy. So we had 2 extra feather pillows that my husband retired and they were just sitting in the closet. So I added those. So now it's like super extra fluffy and he loves it. Here's what it looks like. I made it hang really close to the ground because he's a small little peanut and he needed to be able to climb in on his own. So he can, and I got this one because I thought this was so cool. It has a little thing and I put rechargeable batteries in it. And then there's a button. I have it set up right here and she lights up. Here's what it looks like. I think you push the button and it does different settings. I'm gonna turn the light off so you can see it that way. So cool. He absolutely loves this thing. He's over standing next to me very quietly in awe. Here's another setting. It's like Christmas in your room year round. There's a whole bunch of different settings and you just push through them until it turns off. Let's see how many. Yeah, there's a whole lot of settings. This is so much fun. This is probably his favorite thing to have attached to his swing. He has a sensory swing and stuff like that, but he loves this swing. It is so cool and we've had it for a long time and the durability is on point. So definitely recommend this swing. It is so cool.